is going on, guys? Today we were talking about the internet company, otherwise known as ICP. Right, we're doing a price prediction and a technical analysis on them. So ICP is currently at $24.72. Right, you can see the circulating supply is 190 million. The total supply is 475 million. So a little less than halfway there. Max supply is not listed, so it is what it is. But if we go over here to trading view, if we go down to the 1 week chart, we can see the huge start spike up and just parabolic down. But yeah, as you guys can see, main pump and dump right there at the very beginning. So I'm just gonna go back to the day because that would just kind of ruin it. But as we can see here, right, it's currently in the 24, and if we scroll through here, we can see it's actually just been doing lower lows or lower highs, as well as the lows have kind of continued to go down, right? It's trying to cover right now, but again, it's not really doing a good job. It's kind of staggering, which most likely means it'll make lower lows again, right? Go into the low 20s from that point on right now. Right, so we can see here, right, it started off with a nice price jump, which again is all due to manipulation right there, and right, it then kept going lower and lower and lower, and it is still going lower and lower. So right now, this is definitely not a coin I would be purchasing. It really looks like a huge just initial pump and dump, kind of like what the Wolf used to do back in the day on like IPO days. So here we go. What is it? Blockchain singularity. No more speed limits. Okay, great. So it looks all good, right? Super easy. Here you can see everything is operational. Now here's the thing. I was looking at this internet company ecosystem, right? Version of Reddit, right? It's a version. It's a decentralized version of this or this or this. Reddit, that's a big one, right? Reddit is. Here's the thing though, Reddit's already pretty good, right? We don't really need this. Fleek, blockchain version of Netlify. DistrictKit, decentralized user-owned LinkedIn, right? They're basically just taking the already existing apps, and I've looked into these. They're like worse versions of what's already out there, right? So it's kind of basically they took what was already there, decentralized it, thought it would be better, yet completely redid it and turned it into a version of what it was. So I'm not a fan of that. Now here's the one that was interesting to me: NFTs for authenticating luxury goods. The Origin Foundation is blending luxury goods with NFTs by providing digital verifications for physical objects. Now here's the thing: that's really good, because let's say I wanted to like NFT my Rolex, right? And I wanted to sell it. Well, it would be online all the time, and someone could see it, and then give me an offer or something, and then they would be buying the NFT, and then they would realistically own the Rolex, and then I would have to ship it to them due to the fact that, well, it's no longer mine. They can see it on the blockchain. Rolex can see on the blockchain that I sold it and that it actually belongs to them. So I feel like that's actually a very good project. However, here's the thing that I'm not a fan of, right? This is a good project. I'm just not a fan of the whole project right here. If they could back away from the internet company, that would be a lot version, right? Tokenized version of WhatsApp. Like, please stop making it worse, right? Like, I'm European. We use WhatsApp. I'm already not a fan of WhatsApp as it is. I just like text message better, but as with having my friends over there in Germany and France and all that, I text them through WhatsApp. Just easier, but like, come on, like, they shitified a lot of stuff. So personally, I'm not a fan. Especially, I don't like being involved in like basically pump and dumps or initial ICOs at this point, dumps and pumps. So this would be a no investment for me. I think it will also keep going lower. Theoretically, if they fixed some of these, right, made it good, it could increase in price, right? I could see $100 at that point, but as of now, I think it's going to keep going down, and it's going to keep going down, and keep going down, and keep going down, and keep going down. I'm not a fan, as you guys can clearly tell, but again, it's just my opinion. I might be wrong, I might not be, but I'm just staying away from it. It's risk to reward ratio is not there for me. So, anyways, that's it. If you guys did enjoy, the first link is a free group that we just talk about stuff on. So feel free to join. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Peace out, guys.